All right, so let's pull this carrot here. Nice carrot, beautiful carrot. New Carota carrots aren't gonna be super long all the time. They can get a little bigger, but this is a really nice new Carota carrot. We'll pull all these carrots here. We've got these 2 beds. Now sometimes they're gonna turn out like they got 2 legs, and that's okay. Not every carrot's gonna be perfect, but I honestly think that will still eat. Who cares, right? Just beautiful carrots is what you're after, because it's food on the table, right? And see, that's, look at that. Awesome, awesome carrot right there. I mean, you can't see exactly the beautiful color because they're super dirty. They just came out of the dirt, right? But we're gonna keep harvesting these carrots and see what you can really do just growing carrots on your patio. All right, so we love growing carrots. They're super delicious, super flavorful, and they're really just a joy to grow. But they take a little bit of effort, so we've got them on in these 2 planters. We have 1 planter right here. They're just elevated raised bed planter type things, right? But you get a lot of carrots in them. They're only a few feet long. 1 there and 1 over here on the other side of these steps. See, it's very simple. Right here and right here, and there's wonderful to plant these carrots in. That's really the point of pretty much of our whole channel, is growing food in a small space and making use of the spaces that you have that may not be exactly what you think of as food growing spaces or garden space, but here we got a lot of food growing just on our patio. All right, so now Angela and I are just gonna harvest these carrots, and we'll just kind of show you what we're doing. These are really nice carrots. I mean, you may not think of like this, because when you see carrots at the store, they're like this big, right? A lot of times, but these are new Carotas. Again, they handle the heat well. They probably would have been a little bigger in cooler weather, just to be honest with you. So the heat probably does affect them a little bit as far as their size, but they're still delicious carrots, and this has been a really beneficial harvest here. This is beautiful, Ange.
New Carota is known to be short and fat.
Yeah, they are. They're not supposed to be huge carrots in general.
They're supposed to be short and fat.
You're right. But like, and
Ooh.
Nice. That's a beautiful carrot. Really nice carrot. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome. I'll let you hold on to that one because it's a good carrot. You pulled that one up. Now look, one thing about carrots, don't be deceived, okay? You're gonna have some carrots that you grow that just simply don't get big and fat like you want. That's just the way it's gonna be. Carrots are that way. You're not always gonna have every single carrot be huge, okay? Sometimes they're not, a seed just don't make it, you know? But
look at that one. This
is really good. If the majority of your carrots wind up like this, especially new Carota, that's a really nice harvest.
The thing that gets me is you can smell the sweetness.
You can. I'm smelling them right here, and I'm much further away from the bed than you are.
Short jokes.
It's closer to eye level for Angela K.
I'm not that short. You guys wouldn't know that because you haven't seen me. That's
why we planted them in these beds, because that way Angela could just deal with them eye level instead of.
I'm not that short.
Instead of, you know, anywhere else. Oh, it's fun, y'all. When you get married, you have to have people around you that can handle your sense of humor. And Angela K is certainly that person for me. And you know what? She can pick on me back. I can take a joke as well. That works really well. And when you're working, you know, actually having to do manual labor together like we do here in the backyard. Ooh. Beautiful carrots. Both of us did. Look at that. Ha ha. But when you're working together, you got to be able to handle each other's personality. You know, it makes a big difference, don't it, Ange?
Yes.
Because I told Angela one time, I said, "You don't want to work with me. I'm bossy."
He is bossy.
And I try not to be. Look at this. This is a beautiful carrot.
It's really very nice. Beautiful. This one's pretty too.
Yeah, they are really nice carrots.
It ain't nothing to sneeze at.
And look at this. This is less than half of our carrots right now. And this is amazing. A good carrot goes a long way in the kitchen, don't it, Ange?
Yeah.
It really does.
That one's morphing.
This one right here, he got a few problems. Looks like he's praising God. Here's his head, here's his hands. Woo, praise you. That's right. Awesome. A good deal. You gotta have fun. You gotta have fun with things. Really nice carrots, though.
Oh, that one's gorgeous.
These are good carrots, Angela K. Now this one right here didn't make it. Nice. Look at that. See? Really good carrots. See, like this one right here, these are extraordinarily flavorful. Now,
and they're great for beef stew.
I was gonna say great for beef stew, but also like one thing that you maybe even think about, like you get a carrot like this. It's not real big. See, there's my hand. It's not huge, but you could almost just cut the ends off, leave it whole, and just roast these whole, and there's not really much food prep to do to it.
That's great. Oh,
nice, really nice carrot. Now see, this one kind of surprises me because you wouldn't have thought it was gonna be very big because the stem wasn't extraordinarily great, but it did stay very beneficial. That's a good one. See, again, but these eat. Don't worry about if it's pretty or not. Real food isn't always beautiful. It's awesome, but it's still extraordinarily beneficial. That's just a beautiful carrot. Just beautiful carrots. Nice. Let's see that one. Look at that. Awesome carrot. Now this is pretty much as good as the best you can expect from a new Carota carrot, right here.
Most of them are short and fat.
Most of them are short and fat. But this is, size of my hand. I'm 6'3", so good size hand. That's a really good carrot, no matter what. Awesome. Just great job. And I'll give Angela credit for a lot of this because normally I take care of the carrots, but she did this year because they were like this, and it's really easy to take care of. And she did a wonderful job thinning them out, making sure they were doing well, making sure they were covered. She did a great job on these.
Thank you.
Last couple here. Angela, okay?
Those are good.
This is only half. This is only half of the harvest. Really nice. This is only half of our harvest, y'all. So far, these are beautiful carrots. I mean, outstanding. And now we still have this side over here. Now this side may or may not be as good. Who knows? We have no clue because it's really hard to tell, honestly. But they all did really good. So let's get to picking. Picking and pulling.
That started pulling.
Yep.
Not bad start off.
Wonderful carrots.
Oh.
Nice.
He's a pretty boy.
They are. Really good carrots. I'm extraordinarily happy. I'm like over the moon happy. I bet Angela Kay is too. The cook is always really happy.
And also, you guys don't know this about me, I love carrots.
She's coming out here when she's thinning the carrots. Like if they start a little bit, and like you got a couple that have grown a little, she'll come out here and thin them and just wash them off and eat them.
Yep.
Because it's just a little bite sized.
Yep.
It's just a nice little snack. And like with anything, homegrown is so much better. Got the sugars have developed better. You got varieties. Nice. You surprised me. I was like, "What's wrong?"
It scared me when it popped out so big.
I thought she got into a bee's nest.
It's none of your bee's nest.
Yeah, these are really nice carrots, Ange. This is wonderful here.
If I don't sling dirt all over you.
Sling dirt, just dirt slinger. Oh, this is the benefit here of using your space correctly. To be honest with you, because we did this in a nothing section of our yard.
Look at that.
That's nice.
I've already got that much.
Yeah. But now you have these little sections like this. This section just got smothered out because they.
Well, this row I forgot to plant that row, and because I got distracted.
Those are the ones.
And so as a result, I tried to transplant.
Yeah, I remember that now.
And they didn't grow as well.
Because they were smothered out, really.
Yeah, they were smothered out, really.
Really nice. No, we don't live next door to a kennel. Just everybody's got dogs.
Yep. Look at that.
Beautiful carrots. Angela Kay, this might be the most fun we've had all year pulling food out, huh?
I think so. Oh, look at that one.
Beautiful carrots. Angela Kay,
the color of that one's amazing.
Yeah, it is. How do you store these?
Well, you can keep them in the refrigerator for months.
Just like they are.
Just like they are.
Wash off the dirt, though.
You have to wash them really well.
Wash off the dirt.
Cut them right here. That way you leave about an inch of the neck.
Gotcha.
And then you wash them really good. I mean, scrub them up really good. Then lay them out in a single layer on paper towel.
We do a pre-wash outside to get all the loose dirt, right? Okay.
Yeah.
We'll do a pre-wash outside.
Then do the thorough wash inside.
Yeah.
And then you lay them out in a single layer on paper towel. Roll them up in paper towel. We'll have to do several paper towels for this.
Quite a few.
And several bags. And then you put them in, then I usually put them in a gallon size Ziploc bag.
Okay.
And put them in your vegetable drawer. but put them in high humidity.
Yeah.
Where your vegetable drawer has settings, make sure it's high humidity.
Yeah. No, if your vegetable drawer don't have settings, it's okay. Just it'll create some humidity by being wrapped up in paper towels, right?
Yeah.
And moist paper towels.
And then they will last for months that way.
Yeah.
But I will tell you, if you're thinking, oh, I can freeze them. If you freeze them, you have to blanch them first. Because carrots have an enzyme that if you don't blanch them first, if you just chop them and freeze them raw, they will never get tender, ever. They will stay hard no matter how much you cook them, they will never get tender. Because the freezing locks that enzyme and doesn't allow them to soften.
It's still really good carrots. This bed probably didn't do quite as good as the other one, but I mean, I don't think anybody's gonna argue about it.
Like I said, the new Coronas are short and fat.
Yeah,
so.
no, that's not. Yeah, that's not an issue here. These are beautiful carrots still, no matter what.
Oh gosh.
That's a really nice one.
That one's a beauty.
These are honestly.
Oh gosh.
Those are about what you can expect, typical, average. But like this right here is a little smaller, but still just a really nice carrot. And now here is what we have after that. And on this bed, these are awesome carrots. See, that bird didn't think so, but it's just glorious what you can get off of a space on your patio, by the way, that you would never ever be able to grow food at without doing it like this. Look at these beautiful carrots. There's 176 carrots right here. Such an amazing amount, and that's not counting the little ones. We didn't count the little bitty ones, okay? So this is only usable carrots. 176 usable carrots of various sizes. Now, I'm sure we did count like these. Okay, they're little, but I'm sure we counted those. But that's very usable, okay? That's an amazing harvest off of our patio. Okay, real fast here. We just broke them all down. You see, took all the tops off. So this is not counting the tops. We weighed them out. So 11 pounds, 11 and 7/8 ounces. So over 11 pounds of carrots just on our patio. That's crazy, ain't it? It's getting hot and sunny out here, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, we thoroughly appreciate it. So we love you guys so much. My name is Jason and my wife's Angela Kate. This is Art of Creation Homestead. We love y'all. God bless you and goodbye.